Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing my Sephora VIB sale haul. I have two big bags, and then I also have a small bag as well. I just kept forgetting everything, so I went a couple times, but I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So if you guys want to see this video, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the big bag. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was from DIOR, and it's a foundation. This is the DIOR Backstage Face and Body Foundation. So I got a sample of this when it first came out, and I really fell in love, and I just decided to wait until the sale to get it. I got the color 1.5 neutral last time, and it was just a tad bit dark, so I went ahead and got a lighter shade this time, and the shade that I got is 1 in for 1 neutral. And so this is what the packaging looks like. It's super duper cute. It is plastic though, so it's kind of like a squeezed tube, and I'm so excited to have it. I just remember it looking so good on the skin. It just looked like skin. It didn't look like a mask, but it still had some coverage to it, so I'm so excited to have that. So the next thing I got, I'm really freaking excited about. Oh my god, I cannot wait to do my review over this. This is the new Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. Check out this packaging. It's like a clear white. It's so pretty. So I'm actually uploading my review over this palette the same day as this video. So if you haven't seen it yet, I will have it linked right here in the cards. But this is what the outer packaging looks like. Super duper pretty, and then you open it up and whoop, a little paper fell out. And these are what the colors look like. Check that out. They're so beautiful and unique, and they have really good mauvey pinks in there too. It just looks so beautiful. So I'm not gonna swatch anything just because, like I said, I already have my review up. So if you do want to see it, make sure to watch that video. But this did cost $65. That's usually how much her big eyeshadow pans are, and I'm glad that I got to save 20% on that. And it did come with this little card, which I think is so cute. Look at, I'm Huda Beauty. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was a repurchase. This is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. This one is a little kit, but it costs the same amount as like if you were to buy it itself, if you know what I'm saying. But I use this to clean my brushes, and I am almost out, as you guys could see, and I love this. It's the only brush cleaner that actually works. I feel like a lot of them don't really do anything, and some of them even make your brushes oily, and I don't like that, and this one does not do that, and I love it so much. I was so glad that Sephora now carries it, because I used to have to get it from like other shops, but it does come with this little tin can to go ahead and pour it in, which I've never had that before, so I'm interested in trying that out. But usually I do like to have it in a spray bottle just because I like to spot clean my brushes really fast, and this spray bottle definitely comes in handy. But if you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. It's just a blue liquid, but I just love it. It's a really good makeup brush cleaner, especially if you're a makeup artist, so I definitely recommend this. Okay guys, so the next thing that I got was another repurchase. This is the UFO Acne Treatment Face Oil from Sunday Riley. I've showed this in a lot of my skincare videos. I love this stuff. It just really helps prevent my skin from breaking out. It helps with clogged pores. It has like tea tree, salicylic acid, just really good ingredients for like breakouts, so I love it. It's super strong smelling. I could smell it as soon as I opened the box, but I just got the $40 one just because this one tends to last me a while, and if you get the big size, it's like $80, so I just went with the small one. But this is what the packaging looks like. It just comes in a little dropper, and it is green, as you guys could see. It's like a green liquid, and I don't know, I just love it. The next thing I got, I'm so excited about. So this is my first ever Pat McGrath lipstick, and I got the color Christy, and it's the matte Trance, is that how you say it? Lipstick? But it comes in this really cool packaging. It's so pretty. It's just like her eyeshadow palettes. Speaking of her eyeshadow palettes, I did do a video on these already, so if you haven't seen it, I will have it linked in the cards. But I swatched all three and talked about all three, but I'm also going to be doing some more future videos on each palette on its own, just so you guys could see like how to create a look if you just have one of the palettes, but make sure to check out my video if you haven't already seen it. And so anyways, back to the lipstick. How you open it is with this little string, which I think is so unique. And then it just pops open like that. It reminds me of the old-fashioned like lip cases. My grandma used to have one like that. I don't know if you guys remember that, but they used to look exactly like this, but they would have like a little mirror or something, and they would, like old ladies would keep them in their purse. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's in her limited edition holiday packaging, which is pink. It's super duper cute. And the look of these remind me a lot of the MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks, just because they have that powdery matte look to them. So that is what the swatch looks like. It's just a really pretty nude color, and I tried this on in store and it felt really comfortable on the lips, so I'm really excited to try this out. So the next thing I picked up was another repurchase. I like to repurchase a lot of my skincare during the VIB sale, just because a lot of my skincare I do get from Sephora and I would like to save some money on it. So this is the Ole Hendrickson Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I love this toner. I've tried it like, I think I've repurchased this like 3 times already, and I really love it. It has a really nice cooling sensation on the skin. It really tightens the pores after you wash it, and I just feel like it doesn't dry out my skin or do anything bad. I feel like everything it does is good for my skin, so I definitely had to repurchase that. The next thing I got was my first ever Fenty Beauty product. This is the Stunna lip paint in the color Uncuffed, which is a really beautiful mauve pink shade. So this is the packaging right here. It's super duper pretty. It reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton nail polishes that are shaped like this. Super pretty. And so it does have like a little ball applicator. And I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys, just because this does look a little bit darker once it's swatched and once it's on the lip than it does in the tube. So that is what the color looks like. Super duper pretty. I just love those colors. It reminds me of the 90s. So next up for the lips, we have this Marc Jacobs Enamored Lip Gloss in the color 368 Shine a Light. This is a part of their like gold collection that they came out with for the holidays, and it's so beautiful. Now I didn't get the highlighter just because I felt like the highlighter would be a little bit too dark for my skin tone, because I like to be really blinding with my highlight, but I did pick up the gloss. It's so beautiful. It has that really beautiful gold and silver packaging, as you guys could see. And I've been really into like shimmery glosses, and when I swatched this I had to have it because it has like multicolored glitter in it, but it's not chunky. It's so pretty. It's like a gold brown base with pink glitter in it. So that is what it looks like right there. Hopefully you guys could see the multi glitters in it. It's just so pretty and glossy. Okay, and last but not least, the last thing that I picked up was this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and I got mine in the color Pound Cake, which I cannot wait to try this. Mel Thompson here on YouTube raves about this, so I really wanted to try it out. Let me go ahead and open it. So this is what the packaging of it looks like. This color looks like it's gonna be okay for me, and usually Mel Thompson wears the exact same foundation shades as me, so I'm pretty sure the color will work. It does come with like a little sifter in there, which I'm not used to. I'm used to like dumping it out, so hopefully I'll be okay with that. But yes, Mel Thompson just raves about how this sets her under eye concealer really well, and I've been looking for another under eye concealer just because I feel like some of the powders that I have kind of darken my concealer, and she said this one doesn't do that, and so I really wanted to try it out just for that reason, so I'm really excited about that. And so yeah guys, that was everything that I picked up for round 1 of the Sephora VIB sale. I did place an order online for stuff that I couldn't find in the store, so let me know if you guys have picked some stuff up already. Let me know in the comments down below what you recommend, because maybe I need to have it in my life. And yeah, make sure to stay tuned, like I said, for the Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette review. I'm going to be filming it tomorrow, but like I said, it's going to be uploaded the same exact day that I upload this video, so make sure to watch that. And also, if you haven't seen my review over the Pat McGrath products, make sure to watch that as well. I'm just really upping my review game for you guys, so I hope that you guys really enjoy that. And so yeah, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, so that's 3 times a week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!